Hi, some days have passed, and in the meantime, I had the frame sandblasted and painted black, so it looks very nice now, and like new. I have also installed the rear swing arm, the rear wheel, which is sort of refurbished to a relatively shiny state, and I installed the front fork just to have the bike standing, and now I will be preparing for installation of the other stuff. So that's it. It cost me about €250 to have it sandblasted and painted, which is, I think, a relatively good price, because if I was to do it manually, it would be really terrible work. So I will be using the old original screws and everything, because I don't really want to have it all new. The paint of the frame was done mainly as a rust protection and to protect the frame from the elements. So that's it. I also tried to clean and clean the drive shaft and the drive mechanism here to look better, because it was full of oil and very dirty. As I found, it was painted. The aluminium was painted, but I will not be painting it again. I want the bike to look old, in spite of the fact that the frame is newly painted. While waiting for the frame to be sandblasted, I also checked the forks, changed the oil. I think the oil was like 30 years old, because it was smelling really like shit, and so I changed it. I checked the seals, I changed the seal covers, and also I checked the bearings here in the we call it neck. I don't know what it's called in English, like the headset or whatever. So all this is freshly greased, cleaned, and seems to be working fine. As for the swing arm, I also checked the bearings here in the swing arm. I put the fresh grease here. I also put fresh grease in the rear drive shaft mechanism, the final drive, and now I will put the drive shaft inside again with fresh grease. And once I solve how to sandblast and clean the engine here in my garage, I will clean the engine, start putting it together, and then put it back on the bike. So this is what the drive shaft looks like after some cleaning. It was really dirty, really like a piece of shit. And again, the grease was very old and smelling terribly, so I will put a new grease, put it inside, well, like this, inside, and put the dust cover here, which I cleaned a bit, and put some silicone spray on it. After all those years, it looks very well, which I am quite happy of. It will be like here, sit here. It will sit here, and the drive shaft will go through it like this. And I think I will leave it as it is, and try to install some other other things, mostly the minor ones. And I'm still not sure if I should have all the new parts chromium coated again, because first it's very expensive, second it takes such a long time to have it freshly chromed, so I don't know really. I will see.